Ille postquam ad locum pervenit, lacum videt, in hoc autem lacu, qui non procul erat ab opido, aves habitabant. Translation: Ille, meaning Hercules, after he arrived at this place, saw a lake. However, in this lake, which was not far away from the town, the birds were living. Okay, so Ille we know is our subject, Hercules. That's our main subject. Let's change that color. Main subject. We've got this little temporal clause here explaining when, after he got to the lake, or after he got to the place, he saw a lake. Notice we've got a prepositional phrase. Hawk is talking about laku, so that's ablative. Hawk is ablative to match with laku. And then we have a relative clause, qui, which is talking about the lake. We know it's not far from the town, and the birds were living there.